Today we're going to create the JPA Sample project in the Icap IDE using the servlet template. Next, we need to copy in the source code for the project. We have 3 servlets, a JPA entity bean, and a persistence.xml. But as you can see, we have a number of compiler errors. We need to extend the project to bring in the Java EE web profile in order to bring in the JPA support and transaction support required by the application. Most of the compiler errors are corrected now, but the listDB servlet also does some open JPA queries, so we need a third-party jar for that functionality. We'll create a customized component and we'll add the third-party jar that's required. Navigating through the sandbox into the Liberty runtime to the third-party jars that are required. Hit apply and OK, and now we need to extend our project with that third-party jar. Okay, all of our compiler errors are corrected now. Next, we need to bring in the web page and the style sheet required for the application. Using the Cloud Explorer, we'll create a Derby service. Now we can bind it to our application by simply dragging and dropping it to the cloud resources of the Icap project. Now we're ready to run our test application. Okay, we get the message that our JPA sample app is ready to run. And also notice that it's running on HTTP port 8888. We'll do a populate database. Note that it says that you need to have a shared Derby service with the name of my data source. The database population worked. We list the database contents. We can see all of our various customers and their account balances. And we can credit money to a customer. We can go back and list the database contents. Now we can do a sandbox reset and clear the database. Notice that Ben Franklin had a balance of $145. Now, since the database has been wiped out, we can repopulate the database and start fresh. Now we can see that Ben Franklin's balance is back to $100.